Hello guys, I'm Richard from PageFly. Today we're going to dive into a super cool feature that's sure to make your store stand out. The gradient color picker for backgrounds in PageFly. Imagine adding stunning, dynamic backgrounds that pull your customers in from the moment they land on your page. Well, guess what? It's easier than you think. Let's jump in. Alright, let's use this banner section as an example. To apply a gradient background, simply click on the section or element where you want to add that gradient magic. I will set background color for the whole section. Head to Styling tab, scroll down, you'll see the option to add a solid color, an image, or what we're here for today, the gradient background. Now let's click on the gradient setting. The gradient color picker will pop up, and this is where the fun begins. You'll see the color stops and start. You can choose your colors by clicking on each color stop and picking from the color palette. Want more colors? Simply click the plus or dash icon if you want to add additional stop or remove stop. You can also adjust the gradient direction, go from left to right, top to bottom, or even diagonally. Just slide the angle bar to find the perfect direction for your gradient. Now, let's try setting the background color for this button. You can do the same thing as you did with the section. You can also combine a background image with a gradient color at the same time. Let's say you set up a gradient first, then add a background image, and poof, the image disappears. But don't freak out, and definitely don't blame it on a bug. You can easily fix this by adjusting the opacity, as you can see the notification here. Just go to the color stop settings here, lower the opacity, and you'll start seeing your image appear behind the gradient. Once you're happy with your gradient, you can preview your page to see how it looks live. Check it out. Doesn't that give your page a whole new vibe? This is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more videos. Thank you for watching.